Phu Quoc, Vietnam, an island paradise waiting to be explored. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping the shore, the sun rising over pristine beaches, and lush greenery all around. Life here is a blend of adventure and relaxation. From exploring the vibrant night markets, where you can taste local delicacies, to diving into crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life. Whether you're lounging on the beach, enjoying water sports, or hiking through the island's national parks, there's something for everyone. The people of Phu Quoc are warm and welcoming, always ready to share their rich culture and traditions. The local cuisine is a highlight, with fresh seafood and tropical fruits that burst with flavor. Phu Quoc is not just a place, it's a feeling, a sense of tranquility and wonder that stays with you long after you've left. Come and experience the amazing life in Phu Quoc, Vietnam, where paradise is just a heartbeat away.